Hi guys, I'm Tess Nayda. Today I'm reviewing the Technic Colour Mix Baked Eyeshadow on behalf of kissandmakeup.co.nz. Go and check out their staff. So this is the bag that your product will come in when you order it online from Kiss and Makeup. They are compostable. They have sent me the Colour Mix palette by Technic. So I'm going to be reviewing this one today. I have it on at the moment. I'll show you how I got to this look. These colours are so pretty, look at them. They're so shimmery. You could even do a really nice mermaid look with this. Now, I don't normally go too crazy with my eyeshadows, so I'm quite excited to be trying these colours out. What I've done prior to you seeing me here, I've done a bit of a sheer coat of foundation. I've also primed my eyeshadow area, so I've applied a concealer. I'm also just going to apply a really natural base to my eyelids. I have a few eyeshadow brushes that I'm using today, so I'm going to use the green and then the silver in the middle. There's a decent amount on there. I'll start with that. It's always good to start light and then build it if you need to. The product seems to come off quite easily, like I'm getting quite a lot on there, which is great. This is actually going on really nicely. I'm not having to play with it too much. Yeah, setting quite well. To make a more defined look, I'm just going to use a smaller brush with my highlighter, and this will really lift the eyes and make them pop even more. I am really loving this look. I'll go and complete my eyes now and then obviously finish my face. I really loved the way that the eyeshadow just easily went on the eyes. Obviously I did prime it first, so making sure you've got that good base on your eye, and I actually didn't get any sort of like fallout while I was doing it. I'm gonna do my makeup camera. I'm really loving the look of it, especially for somebody who doesn't wear a lot of eyeshadow. I think it's a really nice sort of natural looking and easy product to use.